Ever caught yourself asking, is it the right time to enter? Not once, but every single trade? Here's the truth. Second guessing happens when you don't have a profitable system. So in this video, I'm going to give you my 3-step swing entry confirmation rule. A simple blueprint that will convert your overthinking into a simple, clear, actionable step-by-step process. Hello everyone, this is Pranav VK, your swing trading guide here at Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. Swing trading is all about timing. It's not just about finding the right stock, but entering with conviction. In this episode, I'm going to share my personal 3-step journey that I'm going to do before I take any swing trades. Most swing traders find the right stock and also the right direction, but still lose money. Do you know why? Just because of bad timing. Either they jump too early in a pullback or enter very late in a breakout, leaving no room for reward. So let's break it down step by step. So step 1, confirming market structure. So before even you enter, the first thing you have to confirm is your market structure. Ask yourself this question: is the price marking higher highs and higher lows? Are the 20 as well as 50 moving averages sloping up? Now you might ask me, should you use a simple moving average or an exponential moving average? While exponential moving average is more relevant, sometimes simple moving average works better. So as a trader, you can make a decision of which one is suitable for your trading style. Structure is like your seat belt, so don't take any entries without it. Step 2 is all about waiting for a trigger zone. You want the price to approach a key support region or a breakout where there is base formation. If the price is in no man's land, which means not near any zone, then that is when you're not going to trade. No trades, and you have to wait patiently, which is the most difficult thing to do for a trader. And finally, step 3 is all about candle plus volume confirmation. Finally, when you're at step 3, like we discussed in the previous videos, wait for either of these candles: a bullish engulfing candle, a bullish outside bar, an inside bar along with breakout, or a 3-bar reversal candle as well. And most importantly, back it up with above average volume. This is your go signal. Let me give you a real life analogy to help you understand this concept better. Think of it like flying a plane. The structure is nothing but the runway. The zone is the green signal. And finally, the confirmation is full throttle. Without all three, the plane is not ready for takeoff. Now let me show you a real life example on the charts so that you can concretize this learning. Now let's head to the charts. Here, again I've taken the example of Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders. I'm taking the same example because it will be easier for understanding. Now I also have put the moving averages, simple moving average of 20 as well as 50. Along with that, we also have volumes. Now the first step that we're supposed to do is identify the market structure. Here we can clearly see that there is higher highs and higher lows that is being formed. Now let's say, for example, we are at this stage where there is a higher low formation. Now after this, the second step is looking for this confirmation candle along with volumes. Now here we do not have any confirmation along with volumes. But coming to the next step, here there is a pullback with low volumes, along with which we have a bullish candle along with high volumes. So this is where it can be a good entry for swing trading. Now let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid as well as the final checklist. The first mistake to avoid is entering before any kind of confirmation and without volume. The second mistake to avoid is ignoring structure. If there is a candlestick pattern that appears in between a trend, then that does not have much significance. So you need to ignore it and avoid it. But rather, if it appears at crucial zones, then never ignore structure. The third mistake to avoid is planning your stop loss after you have taken the trade. But rather, what you have to do is plan it beforehand and enter the stop loss right after you enter the trade. Now let's head to the final entry checklist. The first one is your structure must be aligned. Second, your price is in a tradable zone. Third, it should be a strong candle with volume confirmation. And fourth, you should have good risk to reward or high probability of profit. And fifth, enter only after the candle closes. In the upcoming video, we are going to dive into position sizing as well as risk management for swing traders, and that is my favorite topic. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. You're watching Stockshaala by Kotak Securities. I am Pranav VK. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.